Hello my loves, my name is Laura Gilmore and today I'm going to show you how you can elevate your look using the clip hair wraparound ponytail. First we're going to take this detangling brush from clip hair just to ensure that our hair is completely smooth and all brushed out before we go in and apply the ponytail. You want to gather all of your hair into a slick tight ponytail depending on where you want your ponytail to sit. I quite like it to sit quite high on my head, so this is the position that I have went for. Now that our hair is in a tight ponytail, we're going to take the 24-inch wraparound ponytail from clip hair and give it a little brush through with that detangling brush. Using this clip, as you can see, it's super easy to open and close. We're going to attach this to the base of our own ponytail. I like to place the clip just next to where my hair tie is and then secure in place. Then I take the wraparound hair strap and secure in place with a bobby pin for a seamless finish. The Velcro closure makes this a super quick and easy hairstyle to do and ensures that your ponytail feels secure all day long. Now that the hair is all secure, it's time to style, so I'm going to take the clip hair moisturising and nourishing spray. I find this blends all of my natural hair in with the ponytail and makes styling it super easy. You can style the wraparound ponytail in whichever way you please, as it is made from silky soft 100% Remy human hair. Today I decided to go for a super sleek long braid as I just love this look. The ponytail is available in different lengths, 14 inches, 20 inches and 24 inches, which is what I'm wearing in this video. And there you have it, a super quick and easy way to elevate your look using the wraparound ponytail from clip hair.